Rocking it out. It's the very end of June. Number video. We're doing good. It's a little windy today. Looking like it might be about 80 degrees today. Got my neons on. I'm still hanging out in the 170 club. Hoping to be 175 by the end of the month here. And my next goal is 165 by the end of next month. And that'd be about a month before my wedding. And yeah, we're getting there. Voiceover Megan here. So glad you joined me. I am going to be including some older clips because it's been since the beginning of the month since I've posted, and we've had a HONEYBADGER concert at the winery. My brother and I have a rock band called HONEYBADGER. Some karaoke the next weekend and some things that aren't included, but I will include a little bit of HONEYBADGER for you guys. I think we're gonna do some Freebird. There's my brother, Luke. You rock.
If I leave here tomorrow, would you still remember for I must be traveling all night, 'cause there's too many places I gotta see. If I stay here with you now, things just couldn't be the same. 'Cause I'm as free as a bird now, and this bird you cannot change. No, 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 no. And this bird you cannot change. And this bird you cannot change. Lord knows I can't change. But please don't take it so badly, 'cause the Lord knows I'm to blame. And if I stay here with you now, things just couldn't be the same.
You never know.
This trip has made me
Yeah.
realize how bad I've gotten.
You're very pretty.
Yeah, I definitely don't
You're
think
very
she's
pretty.
got much left in the tank, if anything. And yeah.
I'm just not looking
Baby.
forward to walking back to the car,
Baby.
cramming myself in there. And there's a whole nother day tomorrow. Right. Time to go now.
Hey there. I'm out here catching my last chicken. And I noticed, I don't know if you can see on this camera, there's a toad in my pond. There's a toad. He just left. Anyway, I'm gonna go catch pretty. I'll be right back.
Never get out of my sight. Stick with me, baby. I'm a lady. You came in with. Love be a lady. Love be a lady. Love be a lady.
Tick problems. And it's been crazy. I've been having to put a lot of prevention and stuff on Maybay. She had 3 ticks this summer so far. And I've been using a preventative that I got from Walmart. Kind of like just a natural rosemary, eucalyptus, kind of a essential oil trio of shampoo and room spray and dog spray, and it's all very safe, which leads me to think it's not going to work. But I was absolutely in love with the shampoo, and I can just spray a little bit on Maybay, and I haven't had a problem since. But I only keep her out there for maybe a couple hours. It says it lasts. Hold on just a second. Maybay. I know you stay right with me, but I have to do that for the neighbors, I think. There we go. Yeah. I just wanted to give you a little look at the channel down here. It has flooded overnight, so I'm hoping I have some recent clips from the from our little channel so you can see the difference overnight. We just had a little bit of rain, and we had a lot more rain over the weekend, but the channel wasn't up like this. Overnight, it rose 3 feet. Incredible. All the grass is underwater over there. The island is gone. The swim hole, you can't see the bottom of it. It's probably 6 foot now in the swim hole. It was about 3 foot, but I think it rose about 3 foot. So we'll see what it looks like tomorrow, huh? It's rumored that there's some sort of on and off switch thing going on over there at FedEx. And I don't know how legal all that is, but they keep messing. Poor Maribel, she went in and I had to kind of fish her out. I might show a little clip of that, but yeah. Hi. Woo. I think we're gonna come out of the woods now. Oh, look, I'm showing off my bride-to-be crown that my mom got me for the bridal shower. Oh, that was good fun. I'm sure I'll talk about it in the video. All right, so it's been a while since I had an update, but I've been doing very, very well. Happy Monday. We're almost at the end of June, celebrated my best friend's birthday on Juneteenth, although I didn't get to see her. I love you very much, Tishy. And I was missing her real bad. And this weekend was wonderful, filled with lots of fun church stuff. We're going through some interim pastors until we get our new pastor about halfway through July. So just trying to keep things together, and it's exciting music. Some of it's brand new, and having a lot of fun with different pastors. It's been a little challenging, but overwhelmingly awesome in the end. You know, the big guy has a plan, and I'm really, really benefiting from getting to play with all these pastors, and I just love it. But hurriedly after church, I had to get ready for a bridal shower, and you know, you're just hurrying through the day and overwhelmed with love. When I got there, the family and friends I had, oh wow, just I really don't have any other words, and except for that, you know, I had family from Wisconsin, and friends from Chicago, and family from Detroit, Holland, my mom's side of the family that I don't get to see very often, and now my dad's side of the family that I used to get to see all the time. Everybody's so spread out, I hadn't seen them forever, and other than, it seems like just for funerals and stuff do we ever see each other. I feel like I lost most of my family since COVID, maybe 2/3, I don't know. The third that's left is on mom's side, so they did something right. Yeah, I don't know. I don't mean to joke about the whole thing. It's not funny at all. I guess just how you emotionally handle it. But getting married later on in life makes you deal with a lot of people that aren't going to be there. And that's what you tend to think about, and where the sorrows lie. But then when you go to the bridal shower and you see all the people and all the love, and the family that's no longer with us is fully represented, and I feel like they're still with us, and having a big group of women like that together too, just amazing, the gathering. So blessed. And I know that a lot of people are blessed with being married and having gone through this way before me. And then my sorrow is filled when I figure, you know, everybody had passed, so there won't be very many people. And all that was just quelled with so many, just the amount of love. It was crazy. I can't actually describe it. I'm trying to put it into words, and it's not coming out right at all, because it was awesome. Isn't a big enough word, you know? But also, speaking of awesome, I ate an awesome amount of food. My Aunt Brenda is the best cook, and the thing is you don't always know what it is. It's, what is that? You know, you're, I don't know. We'll try it. And there was so many things that she made. So you just tried them, and everything. I mean, the sounds the people were making, just the mms, and she had a quiche that had awesome cream cheese, and she had, it almost looked savory, but it was kind of sweet, like a French toast, but with bacon, and some kind of strawberry cobbler, and a kind of a Danishy cobbler, and then a sweet station, and I couldn't describe all the, I mean, she had mimosas, and my Aunt Brenda, I love you. And we're walking through this way. This is Thor. And I have some really not so nice neighbors that don't like me to walk by their house, or they scream like swear words and stuff at me. And I was taught to love thy neighbor. But I just kind of have to do the whole avoid thy neighbor because I can't expose myself or the dog to that. So we have some kind neighbors and that have a little pathway for Maribel and I to cut through and avoid any drama. But it also helps us avoid that main road that we're always walking on, Boone. And there's a lot of traffic on that road. Sometimes Maribel and I would run because there wasn't enough space in the winter to get away from the traffic. So we just have to run that little stretch of busy road, and this avoids all of that. So that's really fun. And I'm not threatened by a neighbor or anything like that. I just don't want to cause any ill wills or anybody to use swear words at me for making their dog bark. I walk and then the dogs bark, you know. Sorry. But anyway, back to the enormous amount of food that I ate yesterday. Oh my goodness. So excuse me. I did not weigh in this morning because I don't want to see that number because I'm usually pretty low carb and so any amount of sugar and carb is gonna go bam on my scale. But I don't know, I just don't want to look at it today. I have some stuff that I probably posted at the beginning of this video with a little explanation of all of that, and I may just keep this video going until tomorrow and then do a weigh-in and then post the video. I'm not sure, but we're really close to my goal this month was to hit 175, and the day before yesterday I weighed in at 176, so 1 pound away. And in fact, I think it was 176.2. I mean, it was right there. And yeah, then the weekend happened, so you gotta have fun a little bit. That probably set me back a week. We'll see what happens. So it's a fun experiment to see. I mean, there's 3,500 calories in a pound, and I didn't think I set myself back 3,500 calories or anything, but it's just gonna show up on the scale that way because I had sugar and stuff. Not that I'm a no carb person. I used to be full keto. I do incorporate some carbs now, like fruit, a cup of fruit, whether it be blueberries, blackberries, raspberries, strawberries are the best for carbs. But I do the fruit for I have to stop recording. Oh gosh, it's really deep again, and Maribel went in there. I told you it was deep. Go over there. Go over there, good girl. There you go. Oh, that's gonna get worse. This has to go swimming to save my dog. All right. Okay. I had to fully go in there, so that was pretty fun. Yeah, it's really, really deep, and it's got a lot of current for a little Maribel, so she's okay. She's okay. Yes. You like it, May? You see, walking backwards, good for you. I'm gonna fall down now.